2, 3. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song by the Rolling Stones, Angie. I'm not doing all the perfect fancy picking. This is more towards beginners and medium. So let's just learn the chords and the feel for the song. Alright. We're in standard tuning. Song is in A minor. 1, 2, 3. We got E7. 1, 2. We got G major. 1, 2, 3. F major. You can play the high E string if you can't bar that. It's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. I play F with a fifth in the bass. And C. 1, 2, 3. And then they do a little walk down in the verses from C. So grab that B. Second fret A string. So the switching for the verses: A minor. 2, 3. E7. So that's all the verses, just like that. And then we got the chorus. C major. To a new chord, we got D minor. 1, 2, 3. A minor. And then it ends with C, F, and G. Back to the verse. Do a little picking in between. Can do some picking over the A minor. So pick 5/4 strum. Now E7, we pick 6/5 strum. it's changing a little bit towards the very end. They go from D minor 2 times, and then G, C, C, F, G. So they just add a D minor to the A there. I think it's 2 times, maybe 3. I can't quite remember, but that's the only difference. And yeah, in the beginning, if you want to kind of mimic what they're doing, you can just do some picking. Same chords, just picking. Sounds like that. 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just remember when you pick that you always start with the root, okay? I mean, not always, but most of the time you start with the root. So A minor, start with A. Great song, fabulous. Let's review before we end. Verses: A minor, E7, A minor, E7, G major, F, F, C, and then a quick B over C. Chorus: G major, D minor, A minor, C, F, G. Awesome. Down, 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 up, down, down. Cool. Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow. Be safe.